Your roof cover is your first line of defense against the elements, but severe storms, hurricanes, and tornadoes can tear off or damage it. Wind can also drive rain beneath compromised areas, causing costly interior water damage. The solution? Sealing your roof deck. If your roof cover fails, a sealed roof deck acts as a continuous secondary water barrier, reducing water intrusion by up to 95%. For every inch of rain that falls on your roof, an unsealed roof deck can let in nearly 9 bathtubs of water. And once water enters the home, it can triple the cost of an insurance claim and significantly extend a family's displacement time. A typical roof consists of a wooden roof deck with small gaps for expansion, an underlayment, and an outer roof covering. But in high winds, standard underlayment alone may not be enough to keep water out if the roof cover is damaged. The best time to seal your roof deck is when installing a new roof. IBHS recommends using one of 3 proven methods. Roof lashing tape, a self-adhering roof tape rolled over all deck seams, then covered with a layer of 30-pound felt. Peel and stick membrane, a fully adhered membrane covering the entire deck. Or layered felt underlayment, 2 layers of 30-pound or synthetic felt with a 50% overlap secured with button cap nails. Not replacing your roof yet? You can still add protection by applying a closed-cell spray foam to the underside of your roof deck from the attic. Don't wait for the next storm to test your roof. Ask your roofer today about sealing your roof deck. And for even greater protection, consider a fortified roof. It helps keep water out, prevents damage, and may even qualify you for insurance savings.